are doing a lot of promotion under the school kids. So every year we participate at the Escola Wigenan, but we are also giving an official certification program to teachers who would like to know how to teach their school kids badminton. Badminton has been in Aruba for 50 years. It's been brought here a long time ago, and since then the community has been growing. And every week we have the fanatics playing badminton here. The best age to start with any sports is really young, but for badminton it's appropriate to start with around 7 or 8 years old. We have officially several certified coaches here in the federation, but we also are officially certifying teachers, just gymnastic teachers around the schools, on how they can teach their kids badminton. We are always open for more kids to come. We play every week on Wednesday from 6 to 7:30 p.m. and on Saturdays 10 a.m. till 11:30 at Collegio Arubado. And parents can just drop by for our first tryout.